The world of business is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for entrepreneurs with fresh ideas. If you're looking to start a business, you don't want to jump on a trend that's already fading, you want something futuristic, innovative, and of course, profitable. So, what are some of the best new ideas to explore? Let's dive in. Picture this: you're sipping your morning coffee, brainstorming ways to escape the 9-to-5 grind, when suddenly, you stumble upon a goldmine of business ideas. Lucky for you, I've already done the research, so let's save you some caffeine, and get straight into it. First up, AI-driven personal assistants are no longer just a luxury for CEOs, they're becoming mainstream. With people juggling multiple responsibilities, AI assistants that handle scheduling, emails, and even personal finance planning are in huge demand. Imagine having an assistant that not only reminds you of your mother-in-law's birthday but also orders flowers on your behalf. That's the kind of convenience people are willing to pay for. Then, we have sustainable and eco-friendly home solutions. People are now more environmentally conscious than ever, and they're willing to invest in home upgrades that save energy and reduce their carbon footprint. Solar-powered smart windows, water-saving devices, and sustainable home decor made from recycled materials are all set to become booming industries. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about saving money too, and that's a combination no one can resist. Another fascinating business opportunity is virtual reality fitness. Traditional gyms can be intimidating, but what if you could box, dance, or do yoga in a virtual tropical paradise from your living room? With the rise of VR and AI-generated workouts, fitness is becoming more interactive and engaging than ever. You might even get to spar with a virtual Muhammad Ali, just don't let your furniture suffer in the process. Speaking of futuristic trends, smart home dining is on the rise. AI-powered smart kitchens that prepare meals, suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge, and even cook for you are becoming a reality. If you ever dreamed of having a personal chef, 2025 might just be the year it happens, without the hefty salary expense. The pet industry is another goldmine, but not in the way you might think. Personalized pet health tech, including smart collars that monitor heart rate, activity levels, and emotional well-being, is becoming a must-have for pet owners. Imagine your dog's collar sending you a notification saying, "Hey, I need a walk," or "I'm feeling anxious, play some calming music for me." It's like Fitbit, but for your furry best friend. And who wouldn't want their pet to be as fit as their Instagram feed suggests? Meanwhile, remote work and digital nomad services are booming. As more people ditch traditional office jobs for flexible lifestyles, services that cater to digital nomads, like co-living spaces, work-friendly travel experiences, and mobile offices, are in high demand. Think of it as Airbnb, but specifically designed for people who work while traveling. If you've ever dreamed of working from a beach in Bali, now is the time to turn that dream into a reality and make a business out of it. Here's another one for the tech-savvy crowd: AI-generated content businesses. From automated writing assistants to AI-powered video editing tools, content creation is getting an upgrade. If you've ever spent hours editing a video or writing an article, imagine an AI that does 90% of the work for you. That's not just a time saver, it's a business revolution. If that doesn't excite you, maybe personalized mental wellness platforms will. With increasing awareness about mental health, people are turning to AI-driven platforms that provide therapy-like experiences. These apps analyze your mood, provide meditation guidance, and even offer virtual therapy sessions. It's like having a pocket-sized therapist, minus the awkward waiting room experience. Let's not forget about personalized learning platforms. Education is changing, and online learning is no longer one size fits all. AI-driven platforms that adapt to a student's learning style and pace are gaining popularity. Imagine an app that understands how you learn best and structures lessons accordingly. Whether you're mastering a new language or learning how to invest, personalized education is the future. And finally, there's ethical AI consulting. With AI becoming more integrated into daily life, businesses need experts who can ensure their AI practices are ethical and unbiased. If you're passionate about tech and ethics, this could be the business opportunity of a lifetime. So there you have it, 10 groundbreaking business ideas that are set to take off in 2025. Whether you're looking to start small or launch the next big thing, the future is filled with opportunities. Just remember, the best businesses don't just follow trends, they create them. Now go grab that cup of coffee and start building your empire.